grain train. Pretty sure this just went through Grove City northbound. Could it be South Charleston? They're full. That was noisy. Not real long. Into the sun. Fred has just got a flag. Well, heard train horn in Grove City. Missed it. Found out it was northbound in Grove City. So I took a risk and got here. I only had to wait 10 minutes. Oh, he's blowing somebody. I think it's called Moeller Avenue. There was an NS. These are NS. I don't know if he's having a good time or somebody's in the damn way. There was an NS sitting on one of these two tracks right here in front of me. Can't tell which way it was going. Sure enough, if I pick up and leave and go down to Moeller, he'll be gone. Oh, the sun's really hot. I got like 88 degrees and just a slight breeze. Summer. Oh, Tuesday, June 3rd. Summer is here. So all those cold days I spent up here last fall, it's here. I got to put another quarter in.